Whether it's work, church, a function, the bob is gonna be bobbing. Yeah. Hey, hey, hey. Peekaboo. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by BeautyForever Hair. They sent me this unit to try for you guys. It is also Sip and Slay. The girl got her Wawa today because it is early. But the looks are right on time. You hear me? Your girl got this $89 yak layered bob unit together in about 10 to 15 minutes. Curls included. You hear me? I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you. Grab a pencil, paper, and that change purse. Okay, because listen. I think you might want this one. But before we get into the looks, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Hello, hello. So like I said, this unit comes to us from BeautyForever Hair. All the specs for my unit as well as the products that I'm using in today's video will be listed down below in my description box. So if you want to check anything out, you can. This is another yak bob with some layers. Truth be told, I have been feeling the yak bobs for a hot little minute now, and it's about to be hot outside. So I'm about to be swishing and swinging outside to that mailbox. So I'm gonna show you how easy it is to put this on out the pack with a little bit of work. A little bit of work. But first, let me tell you, this wig is only $89 with my coupon code. Anyway, let me go ahead and tint my lace. I'm gonna use my Black Radiance contour palette in the shade medium to dark, and I'm gonna use a mixture, as always, of my contour and sculpt shade. Dibble and dabble. I'm gonna pop it right on the edge of that lace because we're wearing it glueless. I mean, come on. I will be doing like a little bump and curl a little bit later, but first I just want to show you guys how to rock it out the pack. Easy peasy, okay? Make sure I get that edge of that lace like that. She good to go? I think so. Let me put on my cap because clearly I need that. Bars. Put it over. Here we go. Perfect, perfect. This cap does come with all the security. It's a 7x5 lace parting space, so it is a closure, so you don't get no coverage on your sides, but you can still make this work as a closure, okay? Y'all have seen me do it before. If you haven't, go back and watch some of my closure videos. I'm gonna tighten down that elastic band, pop this on my head. Let me move this back just a smidge. There we go. That fits comfortably. Y'all know my head is big every day, 23 gang gang. Bring it down. Lace is looking good. With my claw clip. But I say, don't try to play me. I know you in here. Tighten and lock it. Lock it, lock it. Okay, how I feel? I feel good. I feel good. Hairline is looking great. Good plucking. Good plucking. Dang it, I didn't do my dry shampoo because I'm not washing this wig out the pack. It does have a slight smell to her. Not too strong though. I still want to smell good. So I'm gonna use a little bit of my dry shampoo to kind of help with that a little bit. And then I'm gonna top it with some water. Do this off your head. That's too much water. That's too much water. Come on, stop. Thank you. That looks great already. I'm using my Nairobi mousse. Put it on my edge right there. Y'all know my mousse is a mold, not a hold. I just want to mold this hairline down on the side to kind of break that up a bit. See, like that? That's it. Get my brush and just kind of brush back any hairs that I didn't want down. You can cut the hairs around your hairline a little bit shorter if needed. Because I want to make sure my hairline is going to stay where I need her to, I am gonna wrap mine down just for a little extra melt, that's all. And here, that's where I want it. That's where I want it. I'm trying to go slow, but it's going real fast. Like, it's an easy install. Let me straighten out this hair a bit. I'm gonna use my blow dryer brush on high. Comb this out. It's a little bumpy right there because of my braids. That's okay. Ooh, bob. My wig does come with the layers in the front. I may need to clean that up a bit. Y'all didn't chop my wig up too much. That side is too short. Let's make that a little bit more even. This side is too long. Let me get that shorter. It's $89. Okay, do a little something. Let me just bump this a little bit Ooh, child, these wigs are getting easier. Yeah. Get that. Ooh, bump. Honestly, y'all, I'm just wasting time. I pretty much could be done. Let's take off my band. Look at that. What'd I tell you? I'm using my Black Radiant Soft Focus Powder, any color creamy bronze. Put it on my angle brush and tint my parting space. And that's pretty much it. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, y'all, so here is the final look with the sleek and sassy. Yeah. This took about 5 to 10 minutes. 10 minutes because I was talking, okay? But if I was just by myself up in this joint, about 5. This looks great. I want to give her her shine. Look at the layers in the front. Nice and simple, everyday type of unit. Whether it's work, church, a function, the bob is going to be bobbing. I do want to curl her up though, add a little bit more volume and see how she does with that. Let me get my curler. What I want to do, 360. Let's try 400 and see how she do. Let me get my little clips here. Do I want to flip over? I mean, I could. Let me get my paddle joint. It is a 7x5 parting space, so you get some extra parting space on the side if you want to do a side part, or you can just shift your wig if you want a deeper side part, but that's a pretty deep side part. This is where the lace is. Y'all see it right there? And then that's my hairline. I know I'll be telling y'all don't be hard bumping your wigs, but for this look, I do need a hard bump because it will fall after a while. Ooh, that's hot. They got hot real fast. I have some hairspray too. Let me get that while I'm waiting. Using this right here. Where is it? This, turn, this one. So I'm just gonna use some rollers. So I'm just gonna curl it and then use the roller to set it and forget it. Roll it out and then clip it in place. Roll it up. Ooh, that's hot, hot, hot. Take my hairspray. Hopefully that holds something. I don't know. All right, let's take these out. It's been about 10 minutes. Let's see what we cooking with. Ooh. Come on, Bob. Give us some bounce. Ooh. Okay, Bonnie. Ooh, I got one back here. Whoa, hello, hello. That literally took 10 minutes. 10 minutos. That's not a word. Oprah who? She could never, she could never. I like it a lot. This is hair from the wig. I just brushed it forward because my hair is under here. The lace is back here. This is the wig right here. You can still see that part in there. So if you want to do or keep it as a middle part, I could do that. Ooh, cute. Got the body and the bounce with this one. And guess what? It's still $89. $89, 80, $89, 80, 80, 80, 80. Body, yaddy, 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 yaddy. You're welcome. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to BeautyForever Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below. So if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.